Are you bleeding hundreds of dollars every month paying for ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and other AI tools? What if you could get all 7 of the best premium AI models on the planet running on a dedicated server for a single one-time payment of $12? Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at Super 7. My honest take, if you are tired of subscription fatigue and jumping between different tabs to get work done, this is a no-brainer. But before you buy, you need to hear about the funnel and the custom bonus package I have put together for you. Check the link in the description right now to see the bonuses, but stick around for the full walkthrough. Super 7 is a brand new cloud-based software powered by an engine called OpenClaw. It gives you unrestricted access to the top-tier versions of Claude, Gemini Ultra, Grok, DeepSeek, Microsoft Copilot, Manus AI, and Perplexity. It's built for affiliate marketers, content creators, and business owners who want premium AI results without the massive monthly price tags. It solves the biggest problem we face right now, not knowing which AI to use for which task. You just type your prompt in plain English and the OpenClaw engine automatically assigns the best AI for the job. No guessing, no wasted time.
You've probably heard of OpenClaw, NanoClaw, and all of the bots that have now been created that can automate everything in your life and that you can access them from anywhere. Welcome to Remote AI, the first ever app that takes advantage of these AIs and gives you access to your very own instance you can access from anywhere you want. So you can also have your own personal AI. In here, I'm logged into my own personal instance, one that you will all get access to, and that you can access from anywhere, anytime you want. In here, we have a couple of different options of AIs that are readily available for us. For example, here we can chat with many personalized AIs that are professionals in their own subjects. If you want to talk with anyone, you can do so right here. We have the most cutting-edge AIs that are performing the best right now. For example, we have Copilot's AI article wizard that can create any subject you want at a press of a few buttons for you. And that they can automate that for you. So you can always have fresh content for your blog, or if you want to sell that on forward, you can do that. You can generate images. For example, let's just go ahead and ask. And there you go. And you can automate all of this, so Remote AI stays readily available for all of your needs whenever you need it. And with so many features like a personalized writer that is professional and proficient in anything you need, from creating ads to creating blogs to creating testimonials to solving business problems for you or for other people. And going on to Apple's very own AI code generator right here, or even Whisper's cutting-edge voiceover generator, Remote AI is an all-in-one powerhouse that you can start having access to your very own instance right now. And with integrated support and integrated training that can help you through these steps, Remote AI is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Let's look inside the dashboard. As you'll see on the screen recording, there's nothing for you to install or configure. Because this runs on your own dedicated virtual private server, it doesn't drain your computer resources. You simply log in from your Mac, PC, or phone. On the main screen, you have your central command center. Whether you need Python code for a tool, a cinematic video trailer, or an SEO-optimized blog post, you just type it into the prompt box. Within seconds, the software routes it to the specific AI that handles that task best. Claude handles the coding, Gemini handles the images, and Perplexity handles the live research. It's completely seamless and delivers results that would normally cost you hundreds of dollars to outsource.
Have you ever looked at your monthly bank statement and felt a knot in your stomach? It could be that $20 charge for ChatGPT every single month, or the $100 a month for Claude, the $250 a month for Gemini Ultra, the $30 a month for Grok. Stack them up and you're paying $720 or more every single month just for AI subscriptions. And the worst part? You're still doing all the work yourself. You're still bouncing between 7 different apps trying to figure out which AI does what. You're still guessing and getting average results. You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. Until now, if you wanted the best AI results on the planet, you were stuck with 3 terrible options. Option 1, pay $20 a month for ChatGPT and settle for an AI that's only average at everything. Jack of all trades, master of absolutely nothing. Or Option 2, subscribe to all the premium AIs separately. Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Copilot, Manus AI, Perplexity, and watch over $720 drain from your bank account every month while you still have to figure out which one to use for each task. Or Option 3, stick to the free versions that are slow, outdated, and hallucinate more than they help. Well, Option 1 is settling for mediocrity. Option 2 is financial suicide. And life's too short to settle for the dumbed-down results of Option 3. Lucky for you, starting today, the game has changed. There is a better, faster, and radically smarter option. It's called the Super 7. And it's not just another chatbot. It's not even just one AI. It's 7 of them. While everyone seems to be using ChatGPT, you can go a step further, actually 7 steps further, and get ahead of your competition with the 7 most powerful AIs on the planet, all working together. And here's the thing about ChatGPT that nobody wants to talk about. It's falling behind. Fast. Claude just released Mythos and Capybara. It writes better code than 99% of human developers now. Gemini Ultra is creating images and videos that make ChatGPT look ancient. Grok has exclusive real-time access to X data that ChatGPT literally cannot see. DeepSeek is solving reasoning problems that make ChatGPT choke. The AI race is on, and you don't have to bet on a winning horse when you can own all of them. That's exactly what the Super 7 gives you. I'm talking about all 7 premium AI models at their highest possible configuration. Claude for the world's best software coding and development. Gemini Ultra for stunning image editing, generation, and virtual assistants. Grok for real-time research powered by live X data. DeepSeek for unmatched deep reasoning and complex problem solving. Microsoft Copilot for enterprise-grade document and productivity automation. Manus AI for fully autonomous multi-step task execution. And Perplexity for lightning-fast, source-cited research. The tech inside? Absolutely mind-blowing. We are talking about $720 plus per month worth of premium AI subscriptions, all running on your own dedicated VPN server. And that VPN server is the secret weapon, because it means your computer stays off. You don't pay for electricity. You don't expose yourself to security risks. And the Super 7 works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. But you're not managing any of this yourself. OpenClaw, our premium AI orchestration engine, handles everything. This engine is incredibly powerful, but it would take you months and thousands of dollars to configure on your own. We've done all the heavy lifting. You just type what you need in plain English. OpenClaw reads your request, understands the context, and sends it to the best of the 7 AIs for that specific job. Need code? Claude handles it. Need images? Gemini's on it. Need live research? Grok pulls it. Need complex reasoning? DeepSeek crushes it. You don't choose. You don't guess. You don't waste time. It's normally $720 plus per month if you subscribe to all 7 separately. Today you can have all of them for a low one-time fee. It all works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log in to the Super 7 cloud-based dashboard. Step 2, tell OpenClaw what you need in plain English, and let it automatically select the best AI model for the job. Whether you need code, research, images, documents, autonomous workflows, or cited analysis, just ask. Step 3. Watch the Super 7 turn your prompt into reality in seconds, running on your own VPN server 24/7. You can go crazy with as many prompts as you want. There are 0 limits. You write directly to OpenClaw, you simply tell it what you want, and the right AI simply does it. No coding skills, no guessing which AI to use, no managing subscriptions required. It takes seconds and loads from your phone running on its own server. And it feels like you're living in the future. What if you could cash in on the trillion-dollar AI frenzy without risking a single dime on subscription fees? With the Super 7, now you can. It allows you to literally create value out of thin air. Or more exactly, a short text prompt sent to the right AI model. It's so good. Thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions. But here's the best part. You can now. Stop paying $720 plus per month for 7 different AI subscriptions. Stop guessing which AI is best for each task. Stop keeping your computer running overnight. Stop paying designers or coders for work they never get right. Stop settling for ChatGPT's average results. The Super 7 renders it obsolete. You could become the next big app developer. Today you build a plugin, tomorrow a mobile game, starting from just one idea and 0 technical skills. Dominate the search rankings with SEO content, and build autonomous workflows that make money while you sleep. The possibilities are truly limitless, no matter how complex your prompt is. Whether it's for yourself or your business, just type what you want, and OpenClaw assigns the perfect AI to create the perfect asset. Look, if these 7 AIs are individually putting coders and writers out of jobs, imagine what they can do together. You will be amazed. I know I was. And you won't believe how good a deal you're getting with this. If you subscribe to all 7 premium AIs separately, you'd pay over $720 a month. That's $8,640 a year. But today, you aren't paying that. It's available at a massive discount for opening day only. You pay once, and you use it forever. But you must hurry. This page is closing down soon. So act now and secure your spot for the Super 7. Stop paying monthly fees. Start dominating with all 7 of the world's best AIs. Click the button below right now.
Now let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end price is incredibly cheap at just $12. However, as with most software launches, there's a deep funnel with 8 optional upgrades. I want to be clear, you do not need all of them to make this work. Upgrades 1 through 6 range from $26 to $36 and unlock various advanced features, but the ones you really want to look out for are OTO 7 for $97 and OTO 8 for $197. These are typically the agency or unlimited white label rights. If you plan to start an agency and sell AI services to clients for big profits, those high-ticket upgrades are where the real money is made. To make this an absolute steal, if you pick up Super 7 through my link in the description, you're getting an exclusive App Verdict bonus stock that you won't find anywhere else. I have carefully selected 10 premium tools from my vault to help you monetize your new AI content immediately. Bonus 1. WP Swift Page Plugin. Super 7 will help you build affiliate sites, and this plugin ensures those sites load instantly to secure high Google rankings. Bonus 2. Lead Book Generator. Easily capture the free traffic your AI content brings in and turn them into email subscribers. Bonus 3. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to your emails and sales pages to force action and increase your conversions. Bonus 4. Conversion Equalizer. A foolproof method to automatically boost your ad conversions when you're ready to scale with paid traffic. Bonus 5. Soci Buzzinar, an ultimate plugin that encourages your visitors to share your AI content, creating a viral loop. Bonus 6. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find the exact profitable keywords to target with your new Super 7 generated articles. Bonus 7. Backlinks Warrior Software. Automatically find high-quality backlinks so your new websites rank fast. Bonus 8. WP Checkout Maximizer. Increase your cart conversions and reduce bounce rates instantly. Bonus 9. Social Media Viral Content Builder. Lock your best AI content so people have to share it on social media to read it. Bonus 10. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Get a massive head start with instant blog assets you can populate with fresh Super 7 content. I'll remind you again, you get all 10 of these exclusive bonuses completely free when you click the link below and secure your copy today. Super 7 is an absolute steal for $12. Even if you just use it to replace a single $20 AI subscription for 1 month, you've already made your money back. Plus, the commercial license is included on the front end, meaning you can sell everything you create. But you need to act fast. This launch price is strictly limited, and my exclusive App Verdict bonus package is only available for the first 25 buyers. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed from the page permanently. Click the first link in the description right now to lock in your copy and secure all 10 bonuses before they're gone. Thanks for watching this review on App Verdict. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions about Super 7, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff reviews. After you purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Go grab it now, and I'll see you in the next video.